guys, Matt with Wick Wrench. I'm going to do a quick overview and test drive. It's a square body 81 C10 L83 5.3 with the LT2 intake and of course the 6.2 throttle body and a 4-inch tube. Just simple stock AC. On the inside of it, PWM or 2020 and up Silverado compressor on it, and then the stock 86 AC condenser. Go inside. It's got an 8-speed trans in it. Rear tires are a 275/40/20, and the gear ratio in the rear is a 273. Stock 273. Dakota Digital gauges. See if this lighting. Got a trans temp 123. I've been driving. I drove it out here about 10 miles or so on the freeway. Intake air temp 141, kind of high. Hour meter, tach, coolant temp. It stays right in this area. Always anywhere between like 195 to 205. Doesn't get much hotter than that, even with AC on. Oil pressure, volts, and of course the time. It's only about, it's cool today, it's only about 92 this morning. We'll see what she does here. Speedo has been calibrated. Tested the fuel system in this. We just modified it, put all the PWM fuel pump in it, all the monitoring, basically out of a 16 and up truck is the pump we used. Just for the depth of the tank, we just use a stock non-EFI fuel tank, and then bought the rings, welded it up, modified it. Pickup on it's pretty good. Passing here. This is, like I said, it's an L83 5.3 liter. The ECM is tuned as a 16 Silverado. The transmission is also a 60. The transmission has a 2016 Camaro operating system on it. Give us a little better shift patterns. And yeah, she runs pretty good. Mileage wise, I know it sounds funny, but when I was running the stock LS fuel system in it, I was getting 20 to 21 miles per gallon in it. Now that I have the modern fuel system in it, even after tuning, I'm getting 19 to 20. So I did lose a little bit of fuel economy. Don't quite know why yet, but we'll do some more playing with it. wanted to show you the way it runs.